Hello everyone! This is the first really hands-on lesson of this course. So far, we have only set up the necessary environment for the project. We've installed our local server and also WordPress. To begin this lesson, you should have already downloaded the HTML template files that I made available to you. If you haven't, please take a look at the download link sent to you. If you're viewing this lesson on YouTube, take a look at the first lecture of this course. The link is available there, okay? And maybe this is the first lesson you're watching. If that's the case, please go back and watch the first lecture, and then you'll be ready to understand the project that we'll be creating. If you're watching this course on Udemy, the download link is available on the first lecture, okay? That's it. So the first step is to grab the uncompressed folder which contains the HTML5 template files and copy the folder right into the WordPress installation directory. After decompressing the file, you'll end up with a folder called Minifolio. Copy this folder to this location here. Open the folder where WordPress is installed, WP Content, Themes, and paste the folder here. Now, if you access the WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes, you see this message here. Broken themes. The following themes are installed but incomplete. Name Minifolio, description, style sheet is missing. This means that the theme was recognized by WordPress but partially. We still need a style sheet for the theme. And here I take this opportunity to give you the first valuable information of this course. Every WordPress theme needs at least two basic files, one called index.php and a second one called style.css. Whenever one of these files is missing, you see this message here. So let's fix this. I'm gonna drag the folder with my WordPress installation to Sublime, WP Content, Themes, and open my Themes folder. Let's rename the index.html file and call it index.php. Don't forget to do that, right? And now let's create a new file at the root of the theme and call it style.css. In doing so, our theme is already recognized by WordPress. But there is still no valid information for it. For example, we don't have details like the name of the theme and the author. To solve this, let's type some content in our CSS file. All information will be included as CSS comments. Don't worry, because that's the way it is. Let's open the comment here and let's pass some information. Theme name Minifolio. Author Marcelo Vieira. Description: a simple theme created for learning purposes. Version 1.0. There are other fields you can enter here, such as the theme's license info, the author's URL, etc. But for this course, that's enough. However, if you want to submit this theme to the WordPress repository, you can see a list of all required fields in the link I left available in this lecture. Okay, we'll save. And now we have more detailed information. One thing that we still don't have is the image that represents our theme here in the admin area, just like these other themes. This is not essential to the theme, but it's very easy to solve. Just create a file called screenshot.png. It must have at most 1200 by 900 pixels, and place it in the root of the theme. I already have this file at hand. I'll just paste it in the correct folder. And now our theme is complete. We only need to activate it. Let's click here and activate the theme. Now when we visit the home page, you hope the theme is working. But it's not quite what we expected, because everything is broken. If we inspect the page and look at the console tab, we see that this is due to the fact that many CSS, JavaScript, and image files were not found. But why? If all the references are here, and the folders with the CSS, JavaScript, and images are also here in the correct place. This is what we'll learn how to fix in the next lecture. So see you then in the next lesson.